Hey there, welcome back guys. Today we're going to go over the vertigo effect, also known as the inception effect. As things start moving, the earth starts going upside down. We can do all that with your drone. With the Mavic 4 or the Mini 4 Pro, or probably even the Mini 3 Pro, it will be possible, except you'll just have to, as you're backing out, zoom in. But we'll have that video coming up for you at a future date. But without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so what you want to do is set your first waypoint, right? So we're going to bring the drone in to right about here to where I am, and we're going to go to waypoints, that little squiggly thing, see that right there? New menu appears. Let's go down, and we're going to set, we're probably going to go back a little bit, right about there, and set this as first waypoint, and then we're going to go back a little bit more. We're probably going to go back as far as we can. The only downside to waypoints, back to right about, is that when they work, and when they don't work, they don't work. All right, so we're going to go back to waypoint 1, camera action, and we're going to set to start recording. Okay, and then we're going to go back again to the second waypoint, and see, we'll scroll down, we'll set to stop recording. Okay, and then we'll go to the zoom right there. And we're going to put it at its max. Now with the Mini 4, you probably have a better zoom option, up to 4. Alright, so now what we're going to do is set the global speed, because it's too fast. So 5.9 is just way too fast. So we're going to set it to maybe 1 miles per hour. And if all goes well, hopefully, right, we're going to align the drone a little bit, right about there. And when we set go, hopefully, we should have that effect going into play after the plane goes by for the ambient sound. Let's see. And now, if I press go, it'll send it to the drone. As you can see, the drone is shifted a little bit. That's the only downside to waypoints. I think waypoints probably works better in open fields. And now, there we go. It's going to go here. And now it's going back. And you see that? Look at that. Things are just moving in a way that's like weird, like the Twilight Zone. Just kind of neat. It's up is down, it's left is right. And this is how you do the vertigo effect. Kind of neat, huh? Again, the only downside to waypoints, as you can see, even though everything was set with the drone, sometimes it'll just do what it wants. And of course, it's returning home, which we will cancel. If you do have your return home option set, make sure that it's set to the height you want it to be. Let's say, for example, we go here into settings, safety, right? We are return home altitude is 180 feet, which is not ideal here, because if you look around, you will see trees. And of course, your home point is set to where it needs to be, which is fine. And then also the other settings, maximum altitude 393, and of course the distance could be no limit, but you decide what your distance is when flying your drone. But always make sure the maximum altitude is set. And also, as you know, waypoints sometimes tend to do what they want when it comes to the height or area around it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and better able to understand on how to set the vertigo, or like I call it, the inception effect. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.